The GoPro Hero 9 Black Holiday Bundle, in my opinion, one of the better holiday deals. For $349.99, you get the GoPro Hero Black, as well as a floaty handle, clip mount, SD card, and extra battery. The GoPro Hero 9 Black features a 23 megapixel sensor, which allows you to shoot video in 5K at 30 frames a second, 4K at 60 frames a second, also 2.7K, 1440p, 1080p, all the way up to the slow motion of 240 frames per second. Lots of different shooting modes with this camera. The box is just a sleeve for the case that is included in the bundle. We can open this up to reveal the nicely packaged camera, as well as the various mounts, extra battery, and handle. I'm excited for this. The lens on here, as typical of any GoPro, is a wide angle lens. There are two screens on this version, a back touchscreen as well as a front selfie screen, which is not touchscreen. Additionally, in the packaging is the clip mount. Ooh, that's a stiff clip. The two batteries, which each battery fully charged gives you 2 hours of 4K recording, which completely blows my mind. They do include a 32 gigabyte SD card, and this will accept up to a 256 gigabyte SD card. We'll be doing a setup video of this camera. Be sure to check that out. We'll have it linked in the description. As part of this bundle, we did have to subscribe to GoPro, which includes some awesome features like hassle-free camera replacement, unlimited cloud storage, and also 50% off accessories. For additional accessories, we do have the floaty handle, which has a nice rubber grip on the outside, making this hopefully easy to hold on to while in the water, and if you do lose it, it'll float to the top, as well as the standard clip mounts, which they have included 2 of them with the screws. To actually put these on, you flip down the flippers on the bottom of the camera. Bada bing, bada boom, you're ready to mount this baby. Almost forgot one sticky mount. The reason why we're so excited to use this camera for the channel is because it is so versatile. There are a ton of different modes. Let me get my list. First off, Hypersmooth 3.0 for ultimate stabilization, up to 240 frames per second.
Time Warp 3.0, which helps with those time-lapse videos, and a
big winner for us.
The Hindsight. This means that if something cool happens, you hit the record button and miss it. Hindsight actually allows you to take that 30 seconds of footage before you click the record button and add that as part of the clip. Live burst, 1.5 seconds, that's pretty common. Scheduled capture, yeah. Live streaming at 1080p with this camera. We have done live streams in the past, 24 hours in the bathroom, and this will help up our live streaming game. And lastly, there is voice control. There are a couple of accessories that they highlight for this camera. It does have a removable lens, so you can buy a max lens mod to give you an even wider field of view. Additionally, you can get the media mod, which gives you a microphone that's better than what's in the camera, as well as an HDMI port. Third, there is a light mod, which is similar to like a Lume Cube, but specialized for GoPro. And lastly, a display mod, which I don't know why you'd want it. It's not that much bigger than the front screen on the GoPro itself. I'm excited to give you a full comprehensive review of our use of the GoPro Hero 9. If you have any specific questions that you want answered in the review video, please ask those down below. We'll have the review linked in the description as well as pointed out in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like on it and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. That's all I have for today, folks. We'll catch you in the next one. Bird out.